Are you excited, Talia? Let's see. Oh, let's see.
Sit. Ew, that doesn't go in your mouth. No. Oh, what?
Oh,
Wow,
look at the kitty. Do you like the kitty, baby? That's from Patty.
What's this?
A phone? Oh, no.
Maybe. You have to put batteries in it. Let's see what else we got first. No. Let's see what else we got first. Hey. Meow.
You like the kitty, baby?
Oh.
Aww.
Oh boy.
More jammies.
Alright. Good stuff.
Oh my gosh, look how cute.
Oh. Matching sweatshirt, hoodie.
Talia. Oh.
No. Pantalones.
Oh.
Look at
Look at your little jeans. Oh my gosh.
little vest. Belly vest. Talia.
Talia, mira.
Mommy's little angel.
Yay.
Daddy's a queen. If Daddy's a king and Mommy's a queen, I must be a princess, of course. Yeah. Socks for your chilly little feet. Socks. Ooh.
Oh, Talia, look at how nice that is for when it's cold, baby.
Wow.
Oh, that's
Sweater vest.
beautiful.
That's cute. Did you just put that back in here?
Tights
Tights?
for the dress.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see you in that.
Say thank you.
Say thank you, Patty. Thank you, abuela.
Muchas gracias.
Talia, mírame. Mírame, mi amor. ¿Así? ¿Así? ¿Mm?
She really wants to dig into this.
I know. Maybe it has an on and off switch.
Oh, there it is. It's got batteries that probably need to be put in.
Oh, that's nice, baby. You putting everything away?
No, you know.
Look, honey, she puts it away and then she takes it out. Watch. Watch her. ¿Qué? ¿Qué? Oh.
She seems to be more interested in the socks
She's
right now.
excited about those socks. There we go. She just needs to play with it on her own terms. Talia. The phone's ringing. A ver. A ver. Hello? Oh, hi. You want to speak to Talia? Just a moment. Okay.
Must be a telemarketer. Talia,
The
can you
phone's
answer
ringing.
that, please?
Look at her face, honey. She's so tired. Ooh, that's
Remember that
cool. That's pretty cool, Talia.
Hello? Hello? Hola? Hola?